Hi everyone, this is John, and this here is just unbelievable, but yet here it is, alright? So, here are some people who are protesting climate change, capitalism, and a bunch of other different things that don't have anything to do with the Burning Man. But it's very ironic what's happening here is this road, I guess, is on the way to the Burning Man, where the Burning Man was, which is a satanic ritual. So anyhow, I find it very ironic in this video here. These people are protesting, and I think it's really ironic that it says right there, "Burners of the world, unite." And these people are blocking the people that are on the way to this festival, and these people all get in a fight. It's really ironic, and it's really ironic what some of these people say, but we'll just look at the beginning here. So they're handing out their thing, and these are people that are on their way to the Burning Man, a very liberal, satanic thing. And even they don't like what these people are doing, which is ironic as shit.
Drag the trailer out of the way and we'll just like, let's do it. I don't fucking give a fuck. Yeah, I'm part of the fucking track. Come on.
So, people on the way to the Burning Man are not very happy with these people protesting climate change and other things. So anyhow, I'm going to pause here and go to the part I want.
We're all trying to go fucking burn. This has been hours and hours of bullshit.
Alright, I'm back to the part where I want to pick up, but if you want, you can go watch this whole thing. I'll show you what this is here, and but I find it ironic that these idiots are on their way to the Burning Man, and they have other idiots blocking their way, and they fight each other, but yet they're on the same page. I mean, this is funny shit. Just can't make it up. So here we go.
Attack the government, don't attack us. We're all in the same boat here, guys. This is the most liberal group of people you can find on the planet.
Did you hear that? And then these guys are fighting each other. It's funny as shit. I actually agree with a couple things that she says, but anyhow, I want to get to that next part that I find so ironic. Alright, we're at the next part. Listen to what this lady says here in the black car here pulling up.
We're anti-climate change. I think you're in the wrong place. Go to New York. Go to a better place.
Making an unsafe environment
This one
for
here.
other humans, which I know is the opposite of what you want. I support this planet. Like, fuck you.
Unbelievable, but there you go. I find it very ironic then what happened. I'm going to go out of here because what I just got to laugh at what happened to the Burning Man Festival. I find it very ironic that these idiots truly don't understand
What do we always say?
that their mockery was put out
Car insurance.
by water.
That's my boy.
Oh, come on.
Stay off the freeways. Only.
So here we go. I find it very satisfying. Oh yeah, the irony. Oh, and they're so oblivious to it. Father rained on their little satanic party. That's funny as shit. And they're totally oblivious to it. Alright, everyone. Peace, love, joy, and kindness to you all. Especially them idiots there. They really need it.